Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trish at Creativemind Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you a what is this? Christmas and July Embellishment Box swap that I hosted in Creative Cake and Crafting, Tiffany McGill's group on Facebook. I am going to be sending to Lillian Hoert. I don't remember her channel right now, but I'll be posting a link to it down below. But we are partners, and so I'm going to be sending her this box. Okay, I'm just going to show you what I put in it, all the contents on it, and I'm going to be shipping it out tomorrow. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm sorry guys, I don't feel good today. Well, I don't feel good most days, but today is just a little bit worse. I suffer from chronic headaches and migraines. I got a bad headache and it's hot, and I took a nap. I just woke up, so I feel better, but I still feel crappy. Earlier I just went in the mood for nothing, so I went to sleep. But anyway, so here is the box we're going to be sending her. I used a 8.5 by 11 paper stack collection that I got from Hobby Lobby some years back. It's the same collection that I used on another Christmas box that I sent out to Andre Gould, but I just used different papers from that stack. I had to put on a poinsettia flower that I got off a bushel that I got from Dollar Tree, and I pull it apart and I put two of the petals on there and the leaves, and I put a little bling in the middle. I had another little plastic stamp in the middle, but I didn't like that, so I put it on a gold plastic acrylic gem. Got some leaf things, some lace, some pom-pom lace, and bling across the top, and right here also I just done putting lace down here. I inked the paper all around the edges to give it an antique look, and I've got red bling all around the sides of the box. Okay, so I'm going to go inside, and again, because the paper wasn't double-sided, I put some paper on the inside. I have to have the paper, the inside the box has to look dressed up too. I don't want that, even though you're not going to see what's closed, but I don't want that looking ugly when she opens up the box. So I put paper here to cover the front side of this, and right here. Okay, so first we're going to start with the middle compartment with the snowflakes. These are nice size snowflakes. They're of a thick chipboard. They're not really thick chipboard, it was a sturdy chipboard. And these I have an iridescent glitter on them. 4 different styles, and I believe I got these from Michael's. I made a sequence mix. Actually, there's more than sequins in here. It's some chunky glitter, sequins, 11 beads, mini beads or micro beads, and I think that's it. So that's just all that's in there. It's a pretty mix. Use that for shaker or whatever. Put in a bunch of acid lace flowers. I love these flowers. I have a crap load of them. I don't think I would have a shortage of these. Again, I had a former crafty buddy that well, she's no longer a buddy, but anyway, she gives me a lot of these flowers and stuff. And also put those in there. It's like a kind of bit of a spray or whatever, and it's got little clear beads and lots on the end. So I put those in there, and then I made a lot of little red bows. I just made a bunch of little red bows. So that's all in that compartment. Let's put this back in first. And then in this compartment, I made another little charm dangle. Where's the end of it? It's kind of like the last one. It's got different charms on it. A little stocking, a bell, gingerbread man, a present, and a wreath with red and white beads of different kinds. I put a little lobster claw on the end. She can hang it on something. And got some silver charms in here. And some little bells, little jingle bells. I'm gonna take those out. But there's a lot of little charms in there. Little charms. And then there are snowflakes, acrylic snowflakes, and got some little pearl clustered centers. I guess you want to call, I don't know what they are, but I got a lot of them. I think I ordered them from either Wish or eBay. But a lot of those. Okay, that's all in that compartment. And this compartment just got a bunch of rose flowers. I don't know what they would call these. These are some of those flowers that I got from the same person that gives me the other flowers. It's a lot of roses. So, it's like a bunch of them rolled together, so she can pull those apart. And let's go in there. So go to the front. I got an assortment of paper clips and clothespins in here. So here's a lot of paper clips. Large paper clips, red, white, silver, gold, and green are those. And then here's a bow, a snowflake, and a Christmas tree. And then an assortment of clothespins, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and take out and paint or put some color on or something. I'm gonna leave those out. Thought I was done with this box, but I was intending to do that. Okay, in the center compartment, I decided to go ahead and add this little ornament. This is from a challenge that I posted in an earlier video that C. Alfred is hosting on in Coffee Cake and Crafting and on her Facebook page, C's Creations. It was from a challenge that we had to alter something from Dollar Tree, and this was a plastic spoon. This is a plastic spoon. That's the back of it. I just melted the handle with my heat gun and cut it off and bent it down. Then I decorated it. Again, I have a video for that. I'll link that down in the description box. And I got some more snowflakes in here, some wood veneer snowflakes. It's just a few of them, 2 different styles, 2 different sizes. I gotta fly the kid when I get finished this video. And some little rosettes that I made, also out of the paper stack. And I inked those to give them like a vintage look. I just put those in there so she can decorate those any way she likes. There. And this one is some die cut buttons. I got a die cut button by Martha Stewart that again I used paper from the paper stack, and I also inked these with vintage photo to give them a vintage look. I just punched a lot of them, a couple red glitter ones. That was from my Martha Stewart punch. Let's see. Okay, and I punched some envelopes. And they have that little inside, you can write a little note on them. or she can just decorate them as embellishment, like I've done in other series where I've had envelopes in embellishment boxes. And there's 3 different prints. Again, from the paper stack, I used that with my McGill punch, and I used vintage photo on that also to look them look vintage, and some tags. This is die cut from a Sizzix punch. There's 3 dies on there, but I only used the smallest one, or 3 not dies, but 3 punches. You know, it was, let me show you. I think I showed it to you once before. Let's see. It's this die. And I used that tag right there, the smallest tag on there. It's Sizzix, if anybody wants to know, it's Sizzix 554991. That's the die I used. And I again used vintage photo on those. Let's see. Let's put this back in there. And let's go to back compartments. And in here I put a assortment of buttons, snowflakes. It's a button, but it's a snowflake. Red buttons, white buttons, gingerbread button. That's a snowflake button. A holly leaf. It's not a button, but it's a some kind of, I don't know what it is. I got it from Michael's. I remember that. No, Hobby Lobby. More. I think I got all these from Hobby Lobby. The buttons. Oh, that's from my Hobby Lobby. I also got some little Christmas light ornaments in there. Like these came from Hobby Lobby. More buttons. Another snowflake. Some word beads we got from Michael's. White buttons from my collection. Another, word beads, buttons. Yeah. All that in that compartment. Another snowflake. In here, I put in some red and green bling, roll of bling. It's nice. I think it's like 16 inches. 16 inches of both. At least 12, I know. I'm pretty sure it's 16 inches. And here's the red. And there's some big acrylic cabochons in here. Sort my colors and shapes. Flowers and circles and ovals, squares, hearts, teardrops. Just a assortment of acrylic gems. And I have to repack this. Yuck, 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 get back in there. Get in there. Okay. And some felt trees, die cuts. Let's put a red one and a green one in there. I got these from Hobby Lobby. I got some in a swap a while back, and that was one that I put on the front of the other box, Christmas box that I did. Then I seen some at Hobby Lobby, so I got me a pack. I think I got them this year. I haven't get this year, so I got me a pack of them. I put a red and a green one in there. And this compartment, I put in some dominoes so she can alter those. Oh, and also in this box we had to add 3 embellishments. So I put in some dominoes that she could alter herself, and this is one of my embellishments. I altered one of them for her. I used to do a lot of this. Dominoes. I have crap little dominoes. So that's just snowflake paper that I glossed. Put some sparkle Mod Podge on, and then I put some glossy accents on top, and I added a couple of iridescent sequins and a snowflake. So that's in there. The other handmade goodie is this that charm or dangle and the little spoon ornaments, or the thing, whatever you want to call it. And I put in a sample of washi, Christmas washi. So that is what I put in this box for this swap for Nancy Hernandez. Wait a minute, who are my partners with? Lillian Souls? Lillian, I think. I'm partners with Nancy in another swap. I got multiple spots going, so I don't know. So who you are who would get this box? Like, my head hurts. I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah, that's what's going on in this box. I gotta paint these, which I'm gonna do right now because I haven't crafted today because I've been feeling bad. But sometimes I get ill if I don't craft. So I'm gonna paint these. I'm gonna paint some of these and put them back in there. I might add a few more things to the box, but this is the box that I'm sending to my partner. Hope she likes it. I love putting these boxes together. So I hope to be swapping some more of them. So thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a crafty day, and y'all have a nice day. Bye.